Cheeky Chocolate. Whatever. I'm gonna go eat breakfast. Bye. I'm done eating breakfast, so I am going to watch. TV. Wait, I forgot to turn on TV. Beep. See you guys. Watching TV is kind of boring. I think I'm gonna watch my computer. Let me just turn it off. In the chair. Ow. And I'll see you guys. Watching TV is kind of boring. I mean, computer. Let's go watch The View. Let's open it up. I hope it won't be boring. Why is it still boring? All we just watch is just cars moving, and that's all. Breaking news. What breaking news? Let's go. Breaking news. There's gonna be a tornado, so you better lock your doors and also cover your windows. Please be in a safety place. Dun-dun-dun. Oh no, I had to unlock all the doors. Lock all the doors. Beep, beep. One out of the doors. Now it's time for the windows. I accidentally dropped the lamp. What is wrong with me? Here. Cover. Stay safe, Cheeky Chocolate. Uh-oh, I wrecked the table. Ugh, I also wrecked the chair. Okay, time to be in the safety place. I'll see you guys there. Guys, I'm up here. You don't even know that. Guys, I don't see you all. I guess the tornado is over. Wait, I see you. Hi, I'm over here. I'm hiding in a safe spot. Oh, wait. I forgot to tell somebody this. Oh, no. I forgot to tell. Polly. Ow. Polly? What? It's gonna have a tornado. What? A tornado? Let me see. Oh. Hurry, let's be in the same spot. This is so wrong. That can't be happening. It can't be. There can't be a tornado in Midland, Texas. I know, right? That's so weird. Ow! Well, guys, I hope you subscribe and leave a comment. And please like our video.